Welcome to our guide on entryway decor ideas, where first impressions meet personal style. Whether your space is grand or cozy, these tips will help you create an entrance that sets the tone for your home. Let's start with the basics. A well-chosen doormat not only adds personality but also keeps dirt at bay. Opt for a durable material that complements your decor theme. Next, lighting is key for creating ambience. Consider a statement pendant light or a sleek wall sconce to illuminate your entryway with warmth and style. Now, let's talk about storage solutions. A console table with drawers or shelves is perfect for stashing keys, mail, and other essentials while adding a decorative touch. Don't forget about mirrors. A well-placed mirror not only enhances natural light but also visually expands your space, making even the smallest entryway feel open and airy. Lastly, add a personal touch with artwork, greenery, or a gallery wall. These finishing touches reflect your personality and make your entryway feel like home. With these simple yet stylish decor ideas, you can transform your entryway into a welcoming space that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Thanks for watching. The entryway of a home serves as the gateway to one's personal sanctuary, setting the tone for what lies beyond. It is the first space guests encounter, making it essential to create a welcoming ambience that reflects your style and personality. In this essay, we will delve into the art of entryway decor, exploring various design elements and practical tips to transform this transitional space into a stylish and functional area. Creating a lasting impression with doormats. The journey into an inviting home begins with the humble doormat. While often overlooked, this practical accessory presents an opportunity to infuse personality and charm into your entryway. Opt for a durable material, such as coir or rubber, capable of withstanding foot traffic and weather elements. Choose a design that complements your overall decor theme, whether it's a witty slogan, a geometric pattern, or a nature-inspired motif. A well-chosen doormat not only adds visual interest but also serves a functional purpose by keeping dirt and debris at bay. Illuminating the path, lighting choices for ambience and functionality. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and functionality of any space, and the entryway is no exception. Consider incorporating a statement pendant light or an elegant wall sconce to illuminate the area with warmth and style. Pendant lights can add a touch of drama, drawing attention to the entryway and creating a focal point. Wall sconces, on the other hand, offer soft, diffused light, ideal for creating a cozy ambience. Additionally, strategic placement of lighting fixtures can enhance architectural features and guide guests seamlessly into your home. Storage solutions, organizational essentials disguised as decor. An organized entryway is not only visually appealing but also highly functional. Invest in multifunctional furniture pieces such as console tables with drawers or shelves to keep clutter at bay. These versatile pieces provide ample storage for keys, mail, and other everyday essentials, while also serving as a stylish focal point. To maximize space, consider incorporating baskets or bins for stowing away shoes, scarves, and umbrellas. By blending form and function, you can create a seamless transition from the outside world into your home. Reflecting light and space with mirrors. Mirrors are powerful design elements that can instantly transform a space, especially in smaller entryways. Strategic placement of mirrors can amplify natural light, visually expand the area, and create a sense of openness. Consider opting for oversized mirrors or a series of smaller mirrors arranged in a gallery-style layout to make a statement. Additionally, decorative frames can add a touch of elegance and tie into your overall decor scheme. By harnessing the reflective properties of mirrors, you can enhance the ambience of your entryway and make it feel more spacious and inviting. Personal touches, infusing personality into your entryway decor. Ultimately, the key to creating a welcoming entryway lies in infusing it with personal touches that reflect your unique style and interests. Consider incorporating artwork, greenery, or a curated gallery wall to add character and warmth to the space. Artwork can serve as a conversation starter, while potted plants or fresh flowers can breathe life into the entryway and bring a touch of nature indoors. Additionally, family photos, travel souvenirs, or cherished mementos can evoke fond memories and make your entryway feel like a true reflection of who you are. Certainly. Let's delve deeper into each aspect of entryway decor and explore additional details and considerations for crafting a truly unique and welcoming space. Expanding on doormats. When selecting a doormat for your entryway, consider not only its design but also its size and functionality. Ensure that the mat is large enough to effectively capture dirt and debris from shoes, preventing them from being tracked further into the house. Additionally, choose a mat with a non-slip backing to provide stability and safety, especially during inclement weather. For added personalization, some retailers offer customizable doormats where you can imprint your family name or a special greeting, adding a personalized touch to your entryway. Delving into lighting options. The choice of lighting fixtures for your entryway can significantly impact its ambience and functionality. In addition to pendant lights and wall sconces, consider incorporating recessed lighting or track lighting for a modern and streamlined look. These fixtures provide ample illumination while remaining discreet and unobtrusive. Moreover, installing dimmer switches allows you to adjust the brightness of the lights according to the time of day or desired mood, creating a versatile and inviting atmosphere. For energy-efficient options, explore LED lighting solutions that offer longevity and cost savings in the long run. Exploring innovative storage solutions. Innovative storage solutions can maximize space and efficiency in your entryway while adding a touch of creativity to the decor. Look for multifunctional furniture pieces such as storage benches or ottomans that offer hidden compartments for shoes, blankets, or seasonal accessories. Alternatively, consider installing wall-mounted shelves or hooks to hang coats, hats, and bags, keeping them easily accessible yet neatly organized. For a minimalist aesthetic, explore sleek wall-mounted coat racks or modular storage systems that can be customized to suit your specific needs and space constraints. Unlocking the potential of mirrors. Mirrors are not only functional but also decorative elements that can enhance the visual appeal of your entryway. Experiment with different shapes and styles of mirrors, from classic rectangular or oval designs to more unconventional geometric or sunburst patterns. Additionally, consider the placement of mirrors to optimize their reflective properties and create the illusion of depth and dimension. Placing a mirror opposite a window or near a light source can amplify natural light and brighten the space, while positioning mirrors at different angles can add visual interest and intrigue. Adding personal flourishes. Personal touches are what truly make an entryway feel like home. Beyond artwork and greenery, consider incorporating other meaningful elements that reflect your personality and lifestyle. For example, a vintage suitcase repurposed as a decorative storage solution adds character and nostalgia to the space, while a collection of framed family photos tells the story of your loved ones and shared experiences. Get creative with DIY projects such as a handmade wall hanging or a customized key holder, infusing your entryway with a sense of craftsmanship and individuality. In summary, by paying attention to the finer details and exploring innovative ideas, you can elevate your entryway decor to new heights of style and functionality. From practical considerations such as doormats and storage solutions to aesthetic choices like lighting fixtures and mirrors, each element plays a vital role in creating a welcoming and memorable entryway that reflects your unique taste and personality. Experiment with different combinations and don't be afraid to think outside the box to craft a space that truly embodies the essence of home.